Hi, simple demonstration on how to solder two wires together. Firstly, we've got the wires, we've actually fluxed them, stripped them back. Now I'm just going to tin both of those, if I show you. Quite simple. That's one. There's another. That's done, almost. And what I do is bend them, as I can show you, like so, like that one, and like that one, and pull them together, like so. Twist, as you can see. They are nice and taut. And simply now we're going to solder those together. And there you have it. Literally fantastic. And for a little bit of, you've already put this on normally, but for the purpose of this video, to show you how to solder, I put that on there, that across there, that into there, use the heat shrink. I did mine both sides. And there you have it. A good, solid connection. Thank you for watching.